Ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, it's about 8 o'clock Thursday night. Ooh, see that lightning? Maybe not. The storm front is just moving across east to west. There's the sun going down. Beautiful sunset. And I'm just waiting for the storm to hit here, and then I'll go back in the house. A little bit of lightning, a little bit of thunder, but you can see it's black. Moving real slow. Rain's cold too, man. My favorite time of the day, after 7 o'clock. Ooh, hog, snapper. Old Jaws. It's gonna rain. More. I just saw Oscar out here on the sailboat down the way, and another osprey landed on the mast of the boat across the canal, and they just went chasing each other down the canal. It was pretty cool. Nice rain, nice rain. Got a new TV coming for out here. I got it in the garage. I found it in my shed. It's a same size TV, but it uses VHS tapes in it, and also has a built-in radio in it. So this one here got a little bit wet, and the remote's not working anymore. So we're gonna swap it out maybe over the weekend. See how that goes. I got a ton of old movies in the old VHS, plus some training tapes, you know? Sit here and watch some of those training tapes. There you go. There's some thunder. You see it just sweeping across there. It was nice to sit here and watch it rather than be out on the boat when these storms come in like that. Got my little AM FM CD player right here. It's a Jensen, if I'm not mistaken. Power supply back behind it, 12 volt, 110 power supply inverter. So we're just out here chilling again.